welcome back. I am starting this makeup look by applying a base eyeshadow to my eyelids. It's a skin tone eyeshadow and I'm just blending it all over my eyelids so that it will be easier for the other shades to kind of blend in. Then I'm moving on to a light brown eyeshadow and I'm putting it all over my crease. I'm just blending it really well. I'm putting it really on the outer corners of my eyelid. I think it just gives like a more glowy, defined look to the eyes. And then I'm putting the exact same shade on my lower eyelids for like a more smoky effect. And then I'm going in with a brown eyeshadow. I'm using it to create a wing liner. So it's just like using a liquid eyeliner but with an eyeshadow, because I think it just gives the eye a little more definition with still being subtle and soft looking. Trying a wing liner is always a hustle for me. And then I am taking the exact same shade and I'm putting it on my lower eyelids too. And then I am going in with some BB cream and I only really used it to hide any spots or blemishes on my skin and create a more even look. And I'm just putting it on my face and then tapping on it to like blend it in. It's a really minimal coverage, but I think it works here. The next thing is pink blush, which I actually used a pink eyeshadow to do this because I looked for a really specific pink shade and that's what I had, so I just used it. And yeah, so I just took this blush brush and I put it all over my cheeks and under my eyes for that sun-kissed look. So for my lips I used a pink lip balm and it's really shiny and glossy and subtle. I think it goes really well here. And then brushing my eyebrows to give them a little shape. And then I am using a brown eye pencil to draw on freckles. I already have freckles, so I'm really just adding a few and then also giving a little bit more definition and presence to the ones that I already have. You don't want it to be too strong, you want it to be really subtle into just like little tiny dots. And then I'm finish it all off with a mascara. And yeah, that's it. And you know, I think I'm ready to go bathe in the sunlight and daydream and do the things that we used to do in the good old days before things got so complicated. But yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!